One of the pieces about customized training solutions is that it's not just about lecturing. The company is investing in their leaders for us to come and do training. We take the courses, and although we have a general outline of courses, as an instructor, I'm given the freedom to truly customize so that each organization is getting the most value for the money that they're spending. I always look to see how can I customize it that much more. What else do I need to emphasize? How can I bring it out? I had learned so many things through my 30-year career, and the ability to package it in a way that leaders who are currently going through some of the things I went through, and if they can learn from some of the fubs I made in my career and do it better, then to me that's value add. When a participant is able to come to you and to say, I utilized that skill, you can see it was a game changer for them. When I'm trying to practice what I preach, which is scanning the room, when you see people nodding, when you can see that they're having aha moments, when you can see that something you've said really resonates with them, those are the inspirational moments, and I can see the light bulbs going on, and I can see people being able to practice it. Leadership is like a toolkit, and you need all these different tools in your toolkit that you can bring out whenever the situation calls for it, and to have a full toolkit is really what training should do for you.